Hello, thank you for watching this short video on how you can use your tipping URL with customer communications. So for instance, if you send emails or text messages to your customers, you could create an email or text message with a tipping link in it that would encourage customers to tip. So all you would do is you'd come to your dashboard at mydashboard.toptipper.co, navigate to your QR codes and links page, and then depending on which tipping page you want them to go to, you would come here, you would copy that URL, and then you could put that URL into text or emails to your customers, and that would take them to your designated tipping page. So it's a simple way to encourage tipping that you could do within your current communication structure if you're emailing and texting your customers. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, we're always here to help. Support at toptipper.co, hello at toptipper.co. Thanks so much and good luck to you.